Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to adjust the screen size in OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio. One easy way to resize the screen is by clicking on the divider above the Scenes panel and dragging it up or down. This will automatically adjust your screen size. Another way is by clicking directly on the screen and dragging from any corner. By default, this will maintain the screen's aspect ratio. However, if you want to change the aspect ratio, hold down the Shift key while resizing. You'll notice that the screen can now be adjusted freely. To reset any changes, press Ctrl+Z or go to Transform Reset Transform to restore the default settings. The third method is cropping. First, reset the transform settings as mentioned earlier. Then, hold down the Alt key and adjust the screen. This will crop the display instead of resizing it. Keep in mind that this method won't work correctly unless you reset the transform first. And that's it. These are the 3 ways to adjust your screen size in OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.